only on Samsung. You can play media sounds from apps on separate audio devices. Let's now play a song from Spotify.
Samsung is the best.
The audio is currently playing via my Bluetooth device. Now let's try to use the TikTok app at the same time. The Spotify song has stopped. Now head on to Sounds and Vibration in Settings. Select Separate App Sound. Then turn on the Separate App Sound. Here you can select the apps you want to play on a different audio device.
Samsung is the best. My name is Alujo, and you can call me Mr. Bixby.